In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Roblox voice chat back after getting suspended. So first you have to go to your browser and then type in roblox.com/support. And then over here, you'll be in the support page. Just enter your Roblox username here, your first name if you want, but it's optional, your email address, and then you have to rewrite that again. So there we go. And then for the device, you can choose whatever device you're on, the type of help category, choose appeal a decision, and I was moderated for my behavior or the behavior of an alt account here. And now just describe your issue. Just tell them that you were wronged and you shouldn't have your voice chat suspended. So I have a template text here that you can use if you want. It says, "Hello, my voice chat got suspended for an invalid reason. I'd like to have my voice chat back, please. Thanks." And yeah, now click continue and they will reply to you within 1 to 2 days. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.